Don't let your snoring keep you up at night, help is here. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. If you regularly use cigarettes and other tobacco products, you probably also snore. The ingredients in these products dries out the mucosal membranes in your nose, mouth and airway, which leads to difficulty breathing and loud snoring. If at all possible, do not smoke cigarettes within 5 hours of your bedtime, as the smoke will cause your airway to become inflamed. Sleeping pills cause the throat muscles to collapse, limiting your airway at night. Although it's tempting, avoid sleeping pills if you suffer from insomnia. They cause snoring. Also avoid alcohol, tranquilizers or antihistamines right before bed. Find natural ways to relax before bed, like meditation, relaxation techniques or warm milk. You will sleep more quietly without the aid of sleeping medications. Excessive snoring can sometimes keep you from getting a restful night's sleep, but if you do snore, never take sleeping pills. Sleeping pills cause every muscle in your body to relax, including the muscles in your jaw and neck. This will only serve to make your snoring problems worse, and severe problems like sleep apnea can develop. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.